Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how simple it is to set up your Amazon Echo Show. I'll also show you how to do a factory reset if you need to reset your settings.
The first thing you need to do is turn it on and wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, it will ask you to select your language. I'm English, so I'll select English United Kingdom.
Hello, ready for setup.
It will then look for your wireless network, so I'll enter my network details. Once you put in your password, press connect. It will then take a couple of minutes to connect to your wireless network. It will then ask you to log into your Amazon account. Once you put in your details, press sign in. If you're using two-factor authentication, it will also ask you to enter the code you will have been sent. Once you've put in your password and your code, it will register your device and load. You'll then see a welcome screen. Press continue. It will ask you if you want to confirm where you live, so again I'll press continue. You can then select what room your device is in. So I'm going to have mine in the kitchen, so I'll say kitchen. You can give it a name. For now I'm just going to call it the Echo Show 8. Continue. Then choose your wallpaper. You can have illustrations, Amazon Photos if you've got an Amazon Photo account, seasonal, nature, travel or art. I'm going to go for nature. Continue. The device then might need to update, so it's updating now.
This device is ready.
Now the Amazon Echo Show is set up. Resetting your device is also simple as well. Simply scroll down from the top of the screen and press Settings. From Settings, scroll up until you can see Device Options. Then scroll up and you should see Reset to Factory Defaults. Press that. It'll then ask you if you're sure. Press the Reset button. Then your device will reset.
I hope you have found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.